Chain cleaning day, and today I'm going to show you my technique of cleaning your motorcycle chains. For that you need a motorcycle, and since I'm poor, I opted to get one out of this owner's manual. So here it is. It's a Hero X-Pulse 200. Fortunately I was able to will this bike into existence by using my magic tricks. There we go. However, the color turned out to be black since I'm still on the noob level, and this bike turned out to be black in color instead of red, and it's messing the handguards and the main stand. So no luck there. We'll use this ordinary household loofah and accomplish this. 3, 2, 1, abracadabra. There you go. It's perfectly clean now. Now we will commence on cleaning the chain, and it is helpful if you can get the rear tire off the ground, and you can use a car jack like I did. However, you can ask a friend for your help, or if you don't have any friends, you can even use your magic abilities and have the wheel lift off the ground. Now that you have found your chain, look at the chain. It's pretty rusty, and it's a crime against the motorcycle gods to keep your chain in this condition. However, this is not my bike. I have magically summoned it, so it's not my fault. Things you're gonna need to clean your chain is a dirty rag. I use a pillow cover. I hid it from my wife. Is a toothbrush and a toothpaste of your choice. I'm using Dabur Red. You can use Pepsodent, Meswak, Close Up. Don't use Close Up. Use Colgate though. Just simple thing. Get your brush nice and flat, and put a little dab of. Okay, that'll do. Cover the lid. You don't want to waste your paste. And let's scoop it up, and just I'll show a little section of the chain, but you can do the rest. So you can just do it like that. Yeah, all the way. Just do a light scrubbing like that. Yeah, so that you're comfortable and are able to clean the chain nicely. You can continue for this entire chain. I'm not going to show. I'm just going to show a little bit. You see, I'm applying it quite vigorously. Quite vigorously. Yeah, do this nice and tough. Give it all you got. Yeah, nicely. Now you have to carry that on for the rest of the chain. Keep the wheel turning and keep applying your toothpaste. Clean after application of toothpaste, and see the difference. Look at that. You wouldn't even have seen it with Motul chain clean, or with kerosene, or with diesel. It has done, toothpaste has done its magic, and the chain is pretty clean. Now our chain is completely clean. We wiped it off, and as per procedure, you have to lube it. People use Motul chain lube, or used engine oil, or gear oil, but I use honey. I have put the honey in this machine oil bottle. The reason for using honey is because it has antibacterial properties, and that really helps, to lube the chain and prevents rust damage. So honey is really good, and it has a very nice consistency so that it can flow. Just keep applying it, and just do it like that. There you go. We have completed the entire chain lubing process. Now, if you are unsure and you think that some sections have been left off, you can easily test that. Just touch, and that's not sweet enough. So I'll give it a little bit too much because it's not up to my liking. Yeah, and carry on. That's it. That should do. That's the chain lubing process. finished lubing your chain, it's a good idea to give it a little bit of wipe down, just do it like that. Yeah, that gets rid of excess honey. Thank you for watching, and if you want videos like this, please subscribe. And if you try it out and it really works out for you, please let me know in the comment section.